Tickle.
Come on.
Look up.
Open. Now open. Relax. Yeah. Stop, Savannah.
Don't close it too tight. Just relax.
Like you're sleeping.
Like you're sleeping. There you go. That's it. Good job.
Relax.
Relax. Sleeping. Sleeping. Sleep. Just sleeping. Don't worry, she won't poke you in the eye. Like you're sleeping. There you go. She's not done yet.
Open. Open.
Keep your eyes open so mom clean it. It's hard. It's hard.
Q-tip.
Can I see it?
Not yet. You gotta wait. Yeah.
Listen to me.
Huh? Not yet, because I'm not done.
Like, can I see in the phone?
You gotta wait, because mommy's still recording it.
You mean to take, like, taking a picture of me too?
Mm-hmm.
Look. They put pencils.
No, safety pins.
Mommy? Why did you then wear any more necklaces?
Hurry up.
Why are you doing?
In your eye, because you keep on moving. Open it.
Okay.
Open, look up for me.
There you go.
No, open your eye, but look up.
Look up and open your eyes. Don't close it. Look
up.
at my hand right here.
There we go. There you go.
There you go. Look at my hand.
Yeah, see how hard it is to put makeup on, and you always want to put makeup on.
Alright, look at my hand. Look at my hand. Miệng hỏng quá, không dám đụng. Không.
Here, I'm not finished.
It's not done yet. Come on.
Open.
It looks like I'm dead to the...
No, you don't look like you're dead. Open. Look, I'm okay. Open. There we go.
Okay.
I can't see that way.
Here, let me draw your...
Stop looking in the mirror. Close your eyes.
Like I'm sleeping.
Yes, like you're sleeping.
Feels wet.
For a little girl that just went to the dentist today, your breast is sure as still.
She just woke up. Okay, dokie, dokie. Look good, look good, look good, look good.
Open. Cat.
4 minutes now. Savannah, we're gonna put this on YouTube. Savannah, I'll put this on YouTube.
Pink on your eyes, right?
Yeah, guess.
Yeah,
Yes.
Savannah, look.
Here. Close your eye. Sebastian, give mommy the white glitter out of the top drawer.
Where?
The top drawer.
Glitter.
Pink.
She has white glitter though.
Oh.
Gosh, you know what? Savannah reminds me of
We
Honey Boo
need
Boo.
the mascara.
Honey Boo Boo.
Honey Boo Boo.
Oh.
Hurry up, guys. You're taking too long.
What's this for? Oh, yeah.
I see you've been dabbing in my damn thing. Close.
You need this?
No, in the,
The white
small
one.
tube, Savannah.
The small one. The white glitter
In
one.
the
little-
container. In the pack.
Put some shadow by her nose to make it stronger.
I don't want to.
Okay.
What's that for?
Put a little bit white right here.
White?
Uh-huh.
Look like I'm crying.
No, just make you shine. Does it shine like the vampire, remember?
See, your face gotta be white.
Relax your face.
I can feel anything.
Yeah, that makes you look dead. That's what you want to look like, right?
Draculaura has white skin.
White skin. This?
Yes, but the white one. The silver one.
Oh.
The clear white one.
Clear white one or the silver one?
This is white. Like the,
Iridescent one.
yeah, the iridescent.
The iridescent one. Get that one.
You gotta, these deals too. What color is that, Casey?
Iridescent. Clear.
Just the clear iridescent one.
White.
You know what I mean? The bottle looks white, but it's really not.
It's only white, Sebastian.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
The pink.
Pretty.
Wait till we put my mascara on. Why does Joy don't wear makeup anymore? Pink better. So that's close my eyes.
Yeah, close your eye.
You guys almost 10 minutes already. Is that it?
No. Her mascara.
Mm.
Sebastian, come put this back up for mommy.
Mama, it's too late to get candy.
It's not. It's not really. Sebastian!
Close my eyes.
No, open. Put up the glitter.
Open your eyes. Look at my hand.
No, I can't open it because Mama, here you look.
Okay.
She has to look at me.
Look at mommy's
Mommy.
eyes. Look at this. Look at my hand up here.
can't. It's hitting her lid. Just look at mommy. Look down. There we go.
On the lips.
Yeah, look at my lips.
Anything else?
Nope.
Nothing, Luigi.
Why did I keep on calling you Luigi?
It's Mario. It's Luigi.
Is not.
Huh?
Luigi is Mario.
Luigi is the green one.
No, it's that guy.
No,
Then
that's
what's that one?
Mario, honey.
Oh.
Look at mommy's lip. There we go. Uncle's tired. Man, you gotta look at me. You're gonna mess this up. Hey, pal. Look up. Look up. Look down. Close. Close. Okay. Go.
Okay.
Go look.
Here, let me take a picture of it. Look in here. Look. Look at.
Are you able to make her fangs whiter? No?
Ah, okay.